Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and this is another video tutorial about basic modeling creations in Blender. So let's start. When you open the Blender, the basically you can see this box is or this cube is added, and so I'm going to delete this box or delete this cube. So X, hit X, delete, and now I'm going to share screen keys, and you can see this is what key I'm pressing. This is left hand side important place. You can see this is my key what I'm pressing in my keyboard. So from here, when I I'm going to add something like that curve and Bezier. So this is Bezier, something like this cool, and this is Bezier, and so I'm going to just top angle view and hit orthographic view. Uh, this top orthographic view. So now to basically edit mode. Now in edit mode, you can see this is Bezier's, and this is the pivot point. You can rotate or move by this pivot point. So from this, if you hit N, item tools, view, and screencast icons, this X angle, Y angle is showing here, and this is X axis. So I'm just pointed to 0 and 0 and 0. So now it's basically like this. So so basically if I grab this and if I G, I can move like this, and want to rotate like this. I'm just going to make it pop like this. So uh, just rotate once more, this. And if you want to add more point or subdivide, so you can go like this. It x-axis, x vertices, rotate. Now grab this thing, and more sub points here, more subdivided, more subdivided, more subdivided like this. Okay, and you can rotate or grab, just point it and grab this, just grab this. Okay. Now I'm happy with this basic structure, and this is the basic structure we have got. So now here a modifier, and if you hit it like this, here you can see this is generate modifier, and if you hit this is screw, here strange type of thing you can get, and basically it's y-axis, it's z-axis, x-axis. If you hit x-axis, you can get like this, something like this, bend in a drop like shape, this kind of things. And this is actually 360-degree angle, and a screw. This say the screw, you can play with this or explore more, just hitting it 0. So intersections, actually make more intersections. See, more intersections, and I'm hitting it 0 and or 1. It says 1, and now actually I can basically manipulate this one like this. Yeah, and yep. So and here we can rotate like this, rotate like this. We can hit or grab this, it, selecting this phrase, and now if I like this, it's nice portal like thing make by this tool. And if you this is see this portal like or the फ्लावर की जो जगह होता है see grab this see and play with this, and you can go to object. That's basically a total object. So rotate x-axis, you can rotate x-axis, z-axis, z-axis, this is y-axis, and it's rotate like this. Okay, now this view and get this kind of thing. And now go to edit mode once again. Edit mode once again and grab this thing. Grab this. Basically, you can manipulate. Grab this. Grab this. Rotate. Grab this one. So we have to get nice pot type of things. So what type of thing? See. Okay. So in this lesson, and if we go to edit object mode and you get this object, you go to edit mode and grab this. Also do things. See, this is our pot, our stand, something like this. Okay, flower pot, hole, and if you are edit mode like this, and you can put object mode. This is like this hole, and then to edit mode, go to edit mode and to and this close this area, grab this, see Let's close. Yes, nice. Object mode, and now you can rotate this x-axis with 90 degree, 90 degree, y-axis, and do this 90 degree. So it's click 0 and hit it 0. So gradually, if we want to change this 90 degree subside, and this our flower pot is ready, and this yeah 3D account, and in the edit mode, going to edit mode and uh, make segments. You can see this make segment like this, and you can duplicate radius, okay, subdivide, more divide points be added, and you can manipulate like this according to your needs or according to your choice. It's up to you. Gap, gap, or gap, this gap. So it's looks better now, and nice curve. Now we can see, but if you are happy with this structure, or if you're happy with this kind of variations, you can rotate. See, it's nice like this. Okay, now I think this is much better. So now, if you go to object mode and see object mode, you make it object. So first of all, grab it, mesh, convert to mesh, not convert to mesh. And now, if you go to the edit mode, you can see this, the more line is added automatically. And you can manipulate this space, like if I choose this space and extrude this space like this. So this is the nice conversion, and down like this. So you can play with this, all of this space. Actually, it's converted to a mesh. Now we can play with this. You can straw like this. So it's a nice thing, cool thing. You can play with this kind of what we put, and now see this flower pot is ready. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I think this video tutorial is really interesting and really cool, and you learn. And if you need something, need to add something like that model in your model, or joining model, and need this kind of thing, you can easily create by only the Bezier tools like this. If you add Bezier curve, so you can easily do this with a curve. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then,